Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you what all I received in my fab bag for the month of April 2018. So as you can see, this month's fab bag has come in a white colored pouch with all these flowers printed on top of it. And I think this looks very summery and it is quite apt for this April 2018. So let's see what all I got inside this. So the first product which I got in this month's fab bag is the Nirvana handmade pure aloe vera gel in the variant neem. I really like using aloe vera gel and neem for my sensitive and acne prone skin. So I'm very excited to try this one out. This is how the gel looks like. It is a full-sized product worth ₹50. This gel smells very fresh and it has a very cooling sensation when I apply it on my skin. The next product that I got in this month's bag is the Blissant lip scrub in the variant Pineapple Kiss. This is how the lip scrub looks like. It smells very sweet and fruity, just like pineapples. It is again a full-sized product worth ₹200. Next product is the Monster Collagen Mask. I have never used a lip mask and I'm so excited to try this one. This is also a full-sized product worth ₹200. The last product that I get in this bag is the Mana Kadar Lip Lock Priming Lip Wand in the shade Merlot. You can see that the color of this crayon matches exactly with the color of my nails. So this looks like it's a very nice wine colored lip crayon. I really like this color and the formula seems to be very creamy and comfortable on my lips. Now this is quite an expensive product. It's a full-sized product worth ₹1,799. So the theme of this month's fab bag is the Spring Kissed April fab bag, and we can already see that there are a lot of lip products for this month which totally suits the theme. The total price of all the products in this month's bag is ₹2,499 and you can get the fab bag for ₹599. If you make a longer period subscription, then you can get even more discounts on the fab bag. So those were all the products that I received in my fab bag for the month of April 2018. I hope you really enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you in case you want to subscribe to the fab bag. If you want to subscribe to the fab bag, then I shall leave the link in the bottom description box. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. It is going to motivate me to take my work forward and make more such videos for you all. And once you're subscribed, also click on the bell button next to the subscribe button so that you are notified of all my future videos. And I shall see you next time. Until then, bye!